Hello, dear students. In this particular presentation, we are looking at um, Littoral Mock, March 2020, Paper 2, Section B, Question 3. The question that involves construction for ordinary level, that is Question 3B, Sub 2. So, this question reads, using a ruler and a pencil and a pair of compass only, draw a triangle ABC such that AB is 7 centimeters, AC is 10 centimeters, and BC is 6 centimeters. So we'll start by looking at AB. So let's look for AB. So we start by using a ruler. And they said AB should be 7 centimeters. So it should be 7. I start at this point here. 7 centimeters. I stop exactly at 7. So this is the point where I end, and this is the beginning. So this is the point A and point B, and this is 7 centimeters. Now the next part of the question says, this is my AB, which is 7 centimeters. Now AC should be 10 centimeters. With AC, I'm not going to use this ruler. AC should be 10 centimeters. So I open out my pair of compass to 10 centimeters. This is 0, right? I place it at 0. Then I open out the other 10 end until I get to 10 centimeters. AC 10 centimeters. Okay, it seems this my compass. This one will not be able to match. I need a longer one. So I open it out to 10 centimeters. Okay, so my AC is 10 centimeters. So I bring it to this point, 10 centimeters. Okay, that's my construction line, 10 centimeters. Then while BC is 6, so I'm going to open this out to 6 centimeters as well. 6 centimeters. Now from B to that point. So this point where these two intersect is going to give me the point C. So this is the point C. And this is how we construct a triangle with 3 sides in construction. So I now use my ruler to link these points. And this. So this is my triangle ABC. Now they want me to construct the bisector of angle ABC. The bisector of angle ABC. So they want the bisector of this angle. So for me to bisect this angle, this is what I'm going to do to bisect the angle. So to bisect this angle ABC, since the B is at the center, I'll place this at this point. Okay, open it out a bit like this. Construction line should be thin lines, okay? So to bisect that angle, then I will now open it out a bit. I'll place it at this point. I know that lines, if I make 2 lines, they're going to intersect somewhere around here. I now equally place it here and do the same. Alright, so this is the point where these two intersect. I'm now going to use my ruler. So to make a bisector, so I have bisected that angle ABC. Now they want me to construct the mediator of AC. Mediator of AC. Mediator of AC is just a line that divides a given line at the right angle. So to get the mediator of AC, this is what I'll equally do. I'll open out my compass. It should be more than a half of this length. More than half of the length AC, because if it's less than half, I'm not going to have it correctly. So I open it out like this, and I do this. I equally place at this point without changing the length, and I do the same. Oh, I need to hold it firm. Call it place at that point and do the same. So if I use my ruler now to link this point and this point where the thing passed, this is going to give us so right now I am being asked to complete the parallelogram ABCD. What I'm going to do here is I'm not going to use these lines that have been given previously. To complete this parallelogram ABCD, I know that this side is 7 centimeters and this side is 6 centimeters. So I'm going to complete using these sides as follows. So this is my ruler. Because the parallelogram, this side should be parallel to another side whose dimension should be the same, like these other ones. So I open it out like this. Now it's 7 centimeters. Place it at this point. Open it out to 7. Okay, this is 7. So I'll place it here. 7. Then now 6. This other side is 6. So I'm going to reduce 1 unit. And that will bring it down to 6 centimeters. I'll place it at this other point to get that dimension. And you see that these two actually intersect at this point. This is the point of intersection, right? So I'm going to use my ruler now to link this. Okay, I think I have swapped the dimensions. I have swapped because I'm supposed to use 7 this way and 6 this way, of course. All right, let's take it. So this is actually, what do I have here? I have 6. I have 6. So I'm not supposed to use the 6 here. I'm supposed to use the 6 rather this way because this side is supposed to be 6 like this one. All right, so we take it 6. So let's see what we are going to have. Normally I'm not supposed to print. I just want to make it different from this other one. So this is 6, and then now 7 centimeters. Okay, now this is my 7 centimeters here. So the two intersect at this point, which I can now link these 2 points using my ruler here. And this other one too. Normally, if you're asked to draw a parallelogram, this is the procedure you follow in construction to draw it. So at this point, this side should be parallel to this side. And this is the point D. So that's the point D, and normally one of these bisectors was supposed to actually get to this point, but it did not get there. So this is the point D, and the last part of the question says we should measure the length BD. So to measure the length BD and see how many centimeters we are going to have. So this will give us how many centimeters. So this is 8.4, 8.5. If you take 8.4, 8.5, 8.6, there will be no problem. So let me just take 8.4 centimeters. So you're actually taking time to draw this, and then it will actually be much more accurate. And given that this compass that I'm using is also not very lengthy, so that's another reason. Good. So the next part of the question now will be the question on masses, which is question 4. Please look at the question on graphs because we have a lot of revisions on most of these questions. Thank you.